Hello and welcome to CBS Automotive and Cambridge Car Audio. My name is Ardil and I'm really proud to introduce another one of our installation videos to you guys. So what we've been working on today is a Fiat Ducato based motorhome. What we've upgraded this particular vehicle with is a vehicle specific radio upgrade from Alpine. So this takes your 5-inch screen, or no screen for a lot of motorhomes at the moment, to a lovely 9-inch screen with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, a specific motorhome navigation system, as well as digital radio, and along with many more features. What we're going to be talking you through is a bit more of an in-depth review on how this product works and functions and what you're going to be getting if you're looking into this radio system. All our work gets carried out from our workshop facilities in Cambridge. If you're not local to us, we've got a whole section designated for people that are travelling to us, so you can book into local hotels, or also we can choose on quite a few other bits and pieces to do while you're in Cambridge as well. So this system has been done alongside loads of other upgrades on this particular vehicle, so feel free to check those videos out. We want to do a specific video just on this particular head unit. So what we're going to do, we're just going to turn on the ignition and show you exactly what you're going to be getting from this radio system. This system gives you functionality for digital radio, but the really cool thing is the buttons are really easy to use along the bottom. Touchscreen's nice and responsive, as well as the fact you've got a 9-inch screen. The digital radio antenna is on the left-hand side of the windscreen, which is all out of the way, and you lose no functionality of the vehicle whatsoever. So as you can see here on the radio, you've got a full 9-inch screen, and we can also have all your presets set, as well as search for all the latest digital radio stations that are local to you. So you've got your main ones like Radio 1, Radio Classic, and you've got quite a few other ones as well. And you literally just pick and choose whatever one you want. If it's jazz and blues you want to listen to, you just click on there, and it's really nice and simple to use, and you can go to Jazz FM stereo. So this is on SDL National, and that's been picked up by the DAB antenna that's here. We also do loads of audio upgrades as well, so if you're looking for that better sound as well, which is what we've done in this particular vehicle, you can check that out too. So this unit's the buttons nice and big, nice and easy to use for the volume, and what we've also got is the home screen here. This allows for full functionality for Bluetooth via your phone. Nice, big, easy keypad to use. You've also got all your contacts and your recent calls there as well. So they're all nice and easy to use, and they're all easily displayed on the actual unit itself. You've also got the built-in navigation system, and this is vehicle specific, set up directly for motorhomes. So you can set this up, it's really easy to use. You can set your dimensions of your vehicle in as well, and then you can plan your route from there. So again, a really easy to use system. The microphone for the Bluetooth is integrated into this top section, so both if you've got 2 people in the vehicle, that's going to pick them up nice and clearly because of the distance that it is from you. You've also got FM and your AM that you had from your vehicle before, as well as you've got your DVD. So this is an optional system that you can add on to this particular radio, and it allows for a DVD functionality which we've mounted in at the bottom of the unit, which is nice and out of the way, and it allows for DVD functionality to run through into this unit. So inside here as well, you've got full user setup for Bluetooth, your general, your sources and everything like that, so you can tune it to exactly how you want it to sound. So what we're going to do also is to show you features of Apple CarPlay. We're just going to use a normal lightning cable, and we're going to plug in to the socket here, which is nicely installed, so no visible wires. It automatically charges your phone, and then when you press the menu button, it shows up at the bottom with Apple CarPlay. So this now shows that I've got 2 WhatsApp messages waiting for me to read. I've also got the phone functionality.
Who do you want to call?
And it uses Siri to do automated voice recognition calls as well. And you can see it's in a slightly different manner and display to what the Alpine one displays, and that's a really nice feature if you want a different design, if you find this more user friendly. So what we've got here is the Alpine application, as well as my text messages, as well as, which I've just received one there, and it pops through, really easy to use, and that will actually read out the message to you, so you're completely hands-free. What we've also got is what we've also got is the navigation. So this is Apple Maps navigation, as well as we've got Google Maps as well, which does satellite nav. So Apple CarPlay will vary depending on what applications you have that support Apple CarPlay. But what you've got here, if you scroll,
would you like me to read your message?
If you scroll across here, we've also got Waze there as well. So a really nice, easy to use system. And that's basically giving you an idea of what Apple CarPlay gives you, so you've got another functionality of navigation if you wanted to. And that also works for Android, so you can also plug that in too. So what we're going to do now is show you the rear camera. So we're now going to show you the rear camera integrated onto this 9-inch screen. So what we've got here is you can either do it by selecting reverse, or you select the camera option on the actual unit itself. This camera is the top spec camera from Alpine. One of the cool things is you can do guidelines on and off, panorama, as well as a corner view, which gives you quite a few different variations and gives you different angles, so you get the maximum visibility out of a single camera. Also allows you to do a top view, which narrows it down right onto the back of the vehicle, and that camera is actually not moving, it's just a really high definition lens that allows us to do this and interact in this way. So I'd just like to thank you for watching this short video on the Alpine 9-inch Fiat Ducato and Motorhome specific head unit. If you're interested in something like this, feel free to get in touch with our team, bring the vehicle in, we can have a chat, we can have a full consultation with you, decide on where you want products and what features you want from the system and how you want everything to look in your motorhome. It's all about you, and that's why we sit down with you and design it to exactly how you want it spec'd. So if you're interested in something similar, feel free to get in touch with one of our team. I'll pop all our contact details below, but all our work gets carried out from our workshop facilities in Cambridge, and we have enough room to put in motorhomes and work on them inside our workshop facilities. So thank you very much once again, and we look forward to upgrading your motorhome soon. Thank you.